High Court of Madhya Pradesh, transforming justice delivery through OCS. OCS of case diaries in bail matters. The High Court of Madhya Pradesh, in its continuous journey towards digital transformation and process automation, has launched several innovative IT-driven initiatives. Among them, the Online Communication System, or the OCS for case diaries in bail matters, marks a path-breaking advancement in integrating judicial processes with law enforcement through seamless digital connectivity. Developed in-house and linked with the Case Management Information System, or the CMIS, and the ERP software, the OCS enables the online requisition, transmission, and access of case diaries between the High Court, the Advocate General's Office, and the Police Department via the CCTNS, also known as Crime and Criminal Tracking Network System. Earlier, requisitions and case diaries were exchanged manually through physical copies, radio messages, or emails, often resulting in delays in hearing of personal liberty matters. Under the new system, once a case is listed for hearing, its metadata, including petitioner details, filing information, crime number, and police station data, is automatically shared from the High Court's CMIS with the CCTNS of the Police Department through APIs. The Police Department has also made necessary provision in CCTNS so that the concerned station house officer receives the online requisition for the case diary and uploads a soft copy of the same, along with remarks, objections, and the applicant's antecedents directly into the CCTNS. These details can be instantly accessed in the ERP accounts of the honorable judges and government advocates. The system offers a centralized monitoring dashboard with audit trails, enhancing transparency, efficiency, and coordination across departments. After successful trial runs in several districts, it is being implemented statewide. The online communication system has significantly reduced turnaround time, ensured instant availability of case diaries, and thereby improved the disposal rate of cases, marking a major milestone in the High Court's commitment to efficient, paperless, and technology-driven justice delivery.